時間過後嘅咧，同埋將來嘅時間咧，係講入不去冇，冇可能過後變咗過後咗。點樣你翻去過後時？你係今日嘅時間。你翻去過後嗰時咧，你未投胎之前咧，你要翻去嗰度，要翻去轉頭。未投胎之前，你翻去轉頭咧，又要翻去嗰邊，要經過。點解你喺咁樣經過嚟嘅？要翻轉頭，要經翻過去。You understand what I'm saying? You go up there, you leave the line, the time, the straight time. You leave it, you have gone up. Then you come to this part of time. There's certain time which is missing already, where you are up there, also going in time. And then you curve back into this time. If you want to go back to this time, you have to go like that. The road that you have taken, you must go back to the same road and then go back there. In other words, you go back up there, then go back to past time. That would only be possible. Otherwise, not possible. Genius cannot go back to time and come back to time as you like. Not possible. If God willing, of course, nothing is impossible. Okay? Like the number I've seen is because I asked for it. I wanted to know about time. I asked for it. I meditated until in the room. I opened my eyes. There was nothing in the room. No more window, no more door, nothing, all white. Remember I told you about the incident? I was in meditation. I opened my eyes. I saw nothing, all black. 神聖嘅得，係唔得。好似你打坐去離開時間人間嘅得，咪要求咯。喺打坐神聖嘅得，拜天公冇嘢係得，係得。不你要打坐神聖嘅係了解時間。今日你打坐咪要求天公俾我了解時間啦，深一層去了解時間係點樣嘅，咪要求咗打坐咯，得㗎。